What if one of the simplest drinks in your kitchen could become a small part of your daily skincare routine? I'm talking about something incredibly simple. Water with fresh lemon. You've probably heard people say lemon water can detox your body, clear your skin, and give you that beautiful natural glow. But how much of that is actually true? Today, we're going to separate the facts from the hype. So let's start with the first thing your skin needs more than almost any fancy drink. Keep watching Highlight. Hydration is foremost for your skin. Your skin is constantly losing water throughout the day. And when you aren't drinking enough fluids, your skin can appear dry, dull, or tired. This doesn't mean drinking more water will magically erase wrinkles, but staying properly hydrated supports normal body functions, and that's important for healthy-looking skin. And this is where lemon water has a surprisingly simple advantage. It can make plain water more enjoyable. If adding fresh lemon makes you more likely to drink water throughout the day, that alone can make it a useful daily habit. Lemons contain vitamin C, and vitamin C is particularly interesting when we're talking about skin. Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, a protein that helps give skin its structure and strength. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping protect cells from oxidative stress. But here's where we need to be realistic. Drinking lemon water doesn't mean the vitamin C travels straight to your face and suddenly produces glowing skin. And lemon water isn't a replacement for a balanced diet. Remember, sometimes the benefit of a healthy habit isn't just the ingredient, it's the routine it creates. Imagine waking up in the morning. Instead of immediately reaching for a sugary drink, you prepare a glass of water with fresh lemon. You drink it, then perhaps you eat a nutritious breakfast. Maybe you take a walk. And healthy-looking skin isn't created by one magical ingredient. It's influenced by your overall lifestyle, your diet, sleep, hydration, physical activity, sun exposure, and skincare habits. Now let's tackle one of the biggest claims about lemon water. You may have heard lemon water detoxes your body. Sounds impressive. But your body already has highly effective systems for removing waste, especially your liver and kidneys. Lemon water doesn't need to flush out toxins to be useful. Its real advantages are much simpler: hydration, vitamin C, and an easy way to make water more enjoyable. And honestly, you don't need a miracle claim to make a healthy habit worthwhile. And here's the mistake I don't want you to make. Don't drink lemon water every morning while ignoring everything else your skin needs. If your diet is low in fruits and vegetables, if you're constantly dehydrated, if you're sleeping poorly, if you're getting excessive sun exposure, one glass of lemon water isn't going to fix everything. Think of it as one small brick in a much bigger healthy skin routine. Remember, healthy skin doesn't come from one magical drink. It comes from the small, healthy choices you repeat every day. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe High Life for more health tips. Thanks for watching.